Hey you! Does your Roblox game look like this? Well, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn your Roblox game into this. You want to start off by going to the lighting tab and copying down these settings. If you don't see the properties tab, you can simply enable it here. Next, click the plus next to the lighting and add these 4 things: atmosphere, blur, color correction, and sun rays. Now, head into the blur tab and set the size to 4. Next, go to the toolbox and search for a skybox. After you have your skybox, head over to atmosphere and change the density to 0.269. Then, go to color correction and change the brightness to 0.1, contrast to 0.1, saturation to 0.8 and the tint color to a nice blue, and then you should end up with this nice cartoon look. Now you're done. If you like these types of videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and maybe join my Discord server. Bye bye.